Hello everyone, my name is Dinesh Sharma from English Excellence with DS, and today I'm going to read these sentences in present simple tense, but I will also change them into past simple and future simple. And wherever there is a sentence or which is a universal statement, it will not be changed. So let me do this, and I hope you would like this file and it will help you in learning tenses and examples of tense and collecting examples of sentence uh, in a proper way. So let's start. Water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. This is a universal truth, it cannot be changed. Birds sing in the morning. Birds sang in the morning. Birds will sing in the morning. Cats dislike water. Cats disliked water. Cats will dislike water. I love chocolate ice cream. I loved chocolate ice cream. I shall love chocolate ice cream. He reads the newspaper daily. He read the newspaper daily. And he will read the newspaper daily. They play football every weekend. They played football every weekend. They will play football every weekend. It snows in winter. People speak English in the USA. People spoke English in the USA. People will speak English in the USA. She writes poetry in her free time. She wrote poetry in her free time. She will write poetry in her free time. We watch movies on Friday nights. We watched movies on Friday nights. We shall watch movies on Friday nights. Dogs bark at strangers. Dogs barked at strangers. Dogs will bark at strangers. The earth revolves around the sun. Flowers bloom in spring. You need food and water to survive. You needed food and water to survive. You will need food and water to survive. The clock ticks every second. The clock ticked every second, and the clock will tick every second. Students study hard for exams. Students studied hard for exams. Students will study hard for exams. The bakery opens at 8 a.m. The bakery opened at 8 a.m. The bakery will open at 8 a.m. Nurses take care of patients. Nurses took care of patients. Nurses will take care of patients. Children love to play. Children loved to play, or children will love to play. The moon shines at night. Farmers grow crops. Farmers grew crops. Farmers will grow crops. I prefer tea over coffee. I prefer tea over coffee. I shall prefer tea over coffee. Cars use fuel to run. Cars used fuel to run. Cars will use fuel to run. We live in a globalized world. We lived in a globalized world. We shall live in a globalized world. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The moon shines in the night. The moon keeps changing in shape in the cycle of 15 days. The stars twinkle in the night. Two and two make four. I teach in a school. I taught in a school. I shall teach in a school. She practices medicine in her clinic. She practiced medicine in her clinic. She will practice medicine in her clinic. He practices law at the court. He practiced law at the court. He will practice law at the court. He sells vegetables. He sold vegetables. He will sell vegetables. She works in a boutique. She worked in a boutique. She will work in a boutique. Every Friday we watch a movie. Every Friday we watched a movie. Every Friday we shall watch a movie. I pray to God twice a day. I prayed to God twice a day. I shall pray to God twice a day. Every Sunday we play cricket. Every Sunday we played cricket. Every Sunday we shall play cricket. She takes the medicine thrice a day. She took the medicine thrice a day. She will take the medicine thrice a day. My car runs 25 kilometers in a liter. My car ran 25 kilometers in a liter. My car will run 25 kilometers in a liter. My watch costs more than your car. My watch costed more than your car. My watch will cost more than your car. This new dress costs 2,500 rupees. This new dress costed 2,500 rupees, and that this new dress will cost 2,500 rupees. I go to work every day. I went to work every day. I shall go to work every day. He works in finance. He worked in finance. He will work in finance. She plays football. She played football. She will play football. The sun rises in the east. The sun sets in the west. I always study hard for exams. I always studied hard for exams. I shall always study hard for exams. Do you usually speak to him like that? Did you usually speak to him like that? Shall you? Will you usually speak to him like that? We produce lasers for cosmetic surgery. We produced lasers for cosmetic surgery. We shall produce lasers for cosmetic surgery. Ben goes to football practice every Tuesday. Ben went to football practice every Tuesday. Ben will go to football practice every Tuesday. He dances. He does not dance. Does he dance? Does he not dance? He danced. He did not dance. Did he dance? Did he not dance? He dance. He will dance. Will he not dance? Will he dance? He will not dance. Will he dance? Will he not dance? She cooks delicious meals. She doesn't cook. She cooks delicious meals. She cooked delicious meals. She will cook delicious meals. Lions roar in the jungle. Lions roared in the jungle. Lions will roar in the jungle. People celebrate festivals with joy. People celebrated festivals with joy. People will celebrate festivals with joy. He exercises every day. He exercised every day. He will exercise every day. Rain falls from the sky. Rain fell from the sky. Rain will fall from the sky. The teacher explains the lesson. The teacher explained the lesson. The teacher will explain the lesson. Trees provide oxygen. Trees provide oxygen. I listen to music when I work. I listened to music when I worked. I will listen to music when I work. I shall listen to music when I work. They travel during summer vacations. They traveled during summer vacations. They will travel during summer vacations. She collects vintage stamps. She collected vintage stamps. She will collect vintage stamps. The bus stops at every station. The bus stopped at every station. The bus will stop at every station. Babies cry when they are hungry. Babies cried when they were hungry. Babies will cry when they will be hungry. Fish swim in the water. Fish swam in the water. Fish will swim in the water. The wind blows from the west. The wind blew from the west. The wind will blow from the west. He drinks coffee every morning. He drank coffee every morning. He will drink coffee every morning. We visit our grandparents monthly. We visited our grandparents monthly. We will visit our grandparents monthly. Deserts receive minimal rainfall. They respect their elders. The sun sets in the west. She speaks fluent English Spanish. She spoke fluent Spanish. She will speak fluent Spanish. Bell rings to signify time. Parents care for their children. Parents cared for their children. Parents will care for their children. The library closes at 7 p.m. The library closed at 7 p.m. Library will close at 7 p.m. Snakes slither on the ground. Snakes slithered on the ground. Snakes will slither on the ground. People need sleep to function. I purchase groceries. I purchased groceries. I shall purchase groceries weekly. Candles melt when lit. They attend the meeting regularly. They attended the meeting regularly. They attended the meeting regularly. They will attend the meeting regularly. The heart beats continuously. The heart beat continuously. The heart will beat continuously. Owls hunt at night. She appreciates art. She appreciated art. She will appreciate art. Eagles fly at high altitudes. Machines operate on power. Machines operate on power. You look happy today. You looked happy that day, yesterday, or you will look happy tomorrow. Ice melts in the heat. He completes his tasks promptly. He completed his tasks promptly. He will complete his tasks promptly. Bakers bake fresh bread. Bakers baked fresh bread. Bakers will bake fresh bread. The universe expands constantly. The universe expands constantly. Students submit assignments on time. Students submitted assignments on time. Students will submit assignments on time. I dream vividly. I dream vividly. I dreamt vividly. I will dream vividly. Fruits ripen over time. Fruits ripen over time. The door opens with a key. The door opened with a key, and the door will open with a key. Fire burns wood. Fire burns wood. He practices the violin daily. He practiced the violin daily. He will practice the violin daily. Stars twinkle in the night. Stars twinkle in the night. Children learn quickly. Smiles. She smiles often. She smiled often, and she will smile often. Elephants have long trunks. Elephants have long trunks. People breathe in oxygen. People breathe in oxygen. If you like my attempt and efforts, and if you think the videos will really help you, thank you for watching it, and please do like, share and promote the channel. Thank you, and subscribe the channel as well. Thank you very much.